Hello everyone, my name is Mr.Darweesh. Today we're talking about something that you will know now. If you want to improve, guys, in English, you should watch my videos. So today we're talking about the word should. Okay, good. So I told you in the beginning, if you want to improve your language, you should watch my videos. So here I'm giving you what? A piece of advice. Yes, the word advice. So when you want to advise someone, remember guys, you have advise is the verb with the S, that we pronounce it Z, and advice with C, that we pronounce it S. Advice, alright, it is the noun. Very good. So when we want to give someone some advice about anything, we need to use the word should, alright? So like this example, you should talk to him. You're telling me I have a problem with my brother, for example, and I tell you, you should talk to him. Remember, after should, we always use what? Base form, alright? The verb must be base formed. Very good. And you want to make it negative, it's easy. You should not talk to him. If you want to contract it, contraction, you shouldn't talk to him, alright? Should not together, as you see in here, shouldn't. Alright, number 2. If someone regrets, you know the word regret? So when you regret something, you did something in the past, something usually is bad, alright? And now you think about it and you say, oh my God, why did I do that? Like you say, I did that, So you regret doing that, alright? So when you regret doing something in the past, or when you think something in the past happened that was wrong, alright? So in this case, what you use the word should. But how? Like this. You should have taken the money. Let's estimate that someone gave you some money in the past, right? And you were a little bit fine with money, okay? So you said, no, thank you, man. I don't want to take the money. And they're telling you, just take it, man. Just take it. And you said, no, I don't want to take it. Then after 2 years or 3 years, you got broke. Okay, and you are poor now, and you remember now, you think about the past. You say, oh, that man gave me $1 million, and I didn't take it. So, you regret not taking the money. So you say, I tell you, you should have taken the money, all right? So we use this one, should have, then past participle, all right? So we use this structure when we talk about something you regret in the past, all right? Or something you think was wrong, all right? You did something and it was wrong. So you think it is wrong, all right? So the negative form is you should not have taken the money, all right? That's all about should and should have. Please, guys, if you have any question, you can write it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and tell your friends about my channel. See you guys.